Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Lachlan Elsworth here, wanting to take you through my personal trading for Wednesday, the 20th of October, 2010. At the same time, ladies and gents, what I'd like to do is take you through the power trade strategy. It's a strategy that I personally use. It is a multiple contract strategy, but it does have a very, very positive psychological impact, particularly on my own personal trading. So I thought I'd share it with you because, again, it's quite a powerful tool. Session first. We actually picked up a nice little 4x4 sell right on the buzzer, so right on market open. As you know, I normally sit on the fence for the first 2 or 3 or 4 minutes, just making sure the market has definitely determined that it is going to break out in a direction. So we call it a breakout instead of a fake out. As it turns out, the sell was in fact a fake out last night. It only ran 2%. Only ran 2% into profit before. If you were using an exit of the 3 candle strategy, you would have been out at +2. Also very, very aggressive, guys. Very aggressive because you're trading straight into the red line. Okay, now the red line is known to dominate price movement in this market. As it turns out, a good reason not to go short. You can see just after that short how the red line did dominate. Well, there's the red line domination. I got a really nice little 4x4 here, but I got a shocking fill of 5 points. Now I don't trade fills of 5 points. You can see here 4x4 bad fill. What I prefer, ladies and gents, is a fill of 1 or 2 points only, because normally these things only go for 6 or 8 points. A 5-point fill like this one here takes away most of our profit. As it turns out, we sat on the fence. If you did take it, even with a bad fill, you would have been out at break even on the 3 candle rule anyway. Starts to reinforce the validity of the 3 candle rule. Okay, that's a big one, because you can see it ran negative. Would have been very, very rude. Now, one reason it would have been very rude, you see down the bottom here, very glad we are not long. When my MACD crosses a standard MACD here, so that's a custom MACD, when that crosses over, we go into very, very negative territory. And you can see here the crossover occurred just as those big sellers came in. So you see the correlation between the MACD crossover and also the price movement here. We bopped along, and guess what, guys? I got no trade for the rest of my session, not a single trade. What I will, however, point out after my session finished, there's my 8 p.m. Sydney time. We actually got a number of trades. Now they were right through to 10 p.m. I did not trade them last night. Key point though, does the principle of the trade work? Now this is a 4x4 into a pivot. Now you know we don't take those. If you had you would have been out at break even on the 3 candle rule anyway. Okay, so not really something to write home about. 4x4s, double 4x4s here above the pivot into clear space. Both of them have gone straight to profit. Okay, so you know that I'm only after 4 points. However, those 4 points those trades have actually produced their 4 points quite quickly. So 4 and 4, you could have grabbed a quick 8% off the market towards the end of the session, but as I said, I wasn't trading. Now, what I am going to do, ladies and gents, I'll finish this video as a recap, and what we'll do now is we'll record a video for you on the power trade strategy to explain that in detail. Have a great trading day, ladies and gents, and I'll keep you posted on how the trading's going. Thank you, and again, like normal, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the office. Cheers, and bye for now.